ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, the Australian dollar found its momentum yesterday as the market stages a mild rally from the low 73 region up to a high of 74.1015. Now currently seeing the technical intraday outlook turning, looks for a move away from 74.10 and down towards the support at 73.35. Now do note, if we see a break of that level, does send the market on towards its objective, which is still holding at 72.50 to 72.70. What would turn this market bullish is if we see a break above 74.50.75. This would in turn see a move up towards the recent highs around 75.25 onto 76.40. But this should see a rejection here. In the longer term view, I still feel that the market will respect that level of 74.5 to 75 and eventually reach its objective of 72.50 and reassess from there. Well, the euro still sustaining very well around that 110 level, and from yesterday's mild advance, now showing signs of exhaustion. I expect to see the market retreat from any highs of around 110.90 to 111.60.65 as firm, and look towards a support seen at 110.30. Now a break there would see a move lower towards 109.50, with my objective still holding towards the 107.40.70 region. Dollar yen still attempting to recover since the low of 98.90. At the moment, I see the resistance holding from 103.90, which is a little quite away from where we are now. However, from the extent of the moves that we've had over the last few days, we could easily see that level challenged. But saying that, intraday, we are seeing another down move coming through here, as you can see here, from the rejection of 102.70 down to 102.40, where it's currently trading. I'm looking for a further weakness in the coming day and looking to see a target of 101.10 challenged with 140 beneath that. A break of 100.40 would expose the recent lows around that 98 region that we saw last week. But do be aware, under the 100 mark, I do anticipate the BOJ intervening again. Well, sterling now starting to show some signs of settling around this 132 to 134 region. In the ECN report, I've stated that we should watch for two levels, one on the top side being at 134.60 and on the downside at 132.40. This will determine where the trend it will be for the next move in the coming days. Although I still hold the move towards the downside, we should note that if this pattern continues, we could see this gap filled from a break of 134.60 and see it rally on towards 136 to 137. So do keep a note of that level. In the meantime, if that level holds, then eventually the support will wear out, and look for 132.40 to break and see it fall lower and reach a target possibly to about 128. But I do expect to see the Bank of England intervene if it does get beneath the 130 mark. And to wrap up with gold, well, the weakness came through yesterday. However, the foundations still hold very well around 1,300. While this level holds, I still look towards 1,318 to 26 and up towards 1,332. In the event we see this level of 1,300 give, then this would expose and reopen a fall towards 1,286. But I feel that this level will continue to hold, and eventually we should see the upside play out to its objective of 1,344. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening.